Learn 100 action verbs in English with examples. Stay. I stay with my grandparents. Leave. He leaves for work at 8 a.m. Arrive. She arrived at the airport at 10 a.m. Travel. Do you travel during the holidays? Pack. I am packing my bags for the trip. Visit. She visits her friends often. Miss. I miss my family when I'm away. Return. When did you return home after the trip? Watch. Do you watch movies on weekends? Listen. I listen to the radio in the car. Laugh. Don't laugh at serious matters. Cry. She cries when she's sad. Smile. He smiles when he's happy. Hug. They hugged each other tightly. Hate. He hates spiders. Like. I like ice cream. Dislike. I dislike broccoli. Want. I want a glass of water. Need. I need some rest. Have. We have a big family. Own. They own a lovely house. Buy. Do you buy clothes online? Sell. Will you sell your old phone? Share. We share our snacks. Borrow. She borrowed my pen. Lend. Please lend me your umbrella. Give. My brother gave me a gift on my birthday. Receive. She received a letter. Open. Please open the door. Close. Please close the window.